This is Jewel Pia, and this is our final project in object-oriented programming. Our project is all about pizza ordering system. The system is to allow the user to select a pizza flavor, select the pizza size, and select his or her choice for the add-ons. And to further explain our design and code, here's my group mate to discuss the system.
Hi, my name is Ashley Rosario and I'll be the one to explain the flavor selection program. First, we use JLabel called IBL Select Flavor to show the text select flavor. The text color is to set white using set foreground, new color 255, 255, 255. We position this label at coordinates 1010 and size it to pixel, to 139 pixel and wide by 21 pixel high using set bounds 1010, 139, 21. The font is set to Arial, bold and size 15 using set font, new font Arial, font bold 15. Finally, we add this label to the content pane with content pane that add IBL select flavor so it appears on the screen. Next, to make Hawaiian radio button, we also use radio button named RDBT and Hawaiian with the label Hawaiian. The text color is set to white, set foreground, new color 255, 255, 255, and the background color is set to a crimson shade using set background, new color 220, 2060. We position this button at coordinates 27, 37 with a size of 99 pixel by wide by 32 pixel high using set bounds 27, 37, 99, and 32. The font is set to Arial, bold, and size 15 using set font, new font Arial, font bold, size 15. We add this button to content pane with content pane that add RDBT and Hawaiian so it becomes visible and clickable. Next, to make the Hawaiian ham and cheese radio button, we create another J radio button called RDBTN ham and cheese with the label ham and cheese. The text color is set to white using set foreground, new color 255, 255, 255, and the background color is set to the same crimson color with set background, new color 220, 20, and 60. We position this button at coordinates 25, 71 and size it to 163 pixel wide by 32 pixel high using set bound 25, 71, 163, and 32. The font is set to Arial, bold, and also size 15 using set font, new font Arial, font bold, size 15. We add this button to the content pane with content pane that add RDBT and ham and cheese. And next, to make the pepperoni radio button, we also create J radio button called RDBT and pepperoni with the label pepperoni. The background color is set to crimson using set background, new color 220, 20, 60. And the text color is to set white with set foreground, new color 255, 255, 255. We position this button at coordinates 97, 106 and size it to 122 pixel wide by 32 pixel high using set bound 27, 106, 122, and 32. The font is to set the Arial font bold size using set font, new font Arial font bold 15. We add this button to the content pane with content pane that add RDBT and pepperoni. Then lastly, to make a flavor group, we create a button group called flavor group to ensure only one radio button can be selected at a time, or one flavor can be selected at a time. We add the Hawaiian, ham and cheese, and pepperoni radio buttons to this group using flavor group that add RDBT and Hawaiian. Next is flavor group that add RDBT and ham and cheese. And last, flavor group that add RDBT and pepperoni. Grouping these buttons ensure that selecting one button will automatically be selected any previously selected button, allowing only one flavor to be chosen at a time.
So, hi guys, my name is Mariela J. Guevara and I will be the one to explain the sizes. So, let's start with the code JLabel, label select size equals new JLabel select size. So, this code creates a label that displays text, which is the select size that is set as the label's content. This is created to indicate the purpose of the radio buttons. Next one is the LBL or label select size dot set foreground and dot set background. This sets the background color of the label to white and set the position and size of the label. And the LBL select size dot set bounds is 10, 158, 108, and 21. This is to set its position of the label at coordinates 10 and 158 with a width of 108 pixels and a height of 21 pixels. Next is the LBL Select Size.set font. This is the design. The font is set to its Arial and bold style with the size of 15. The content pane dot add LBL select size. This adds the label to the content pane of the window frame to provide radio buttons for selecting a size. And it is to ensure that only one size can be selected at a time. Now we create J radio buttons for size option small, medium, and large. The purpose of it is to provide radio buttons for selecting a size. Now, let's start with the size small. RDBTN, which is radio button, small equals new, J radio button, small. This is to create a radio button component with its label or size of the pizza, which is small. And radio button small dot set foreground and set background, which I mentioned earlier, is the same with ones I explained. It sets the text color of the radio button to white and sets the background color to crimson color, RGB 220, 20, and 60. And the dot set bounds, it sets the position of the radio button at coordinates 26 and 185 with a width of 147 pixels and a height of 32 pixels. Now the set font, it is the design of its font and size will be the same as I explained earlier. And the content pane dot add radio button small. This code is will be repeated for the sizes which are the small, medium, and large, but the set bounds will be different regarding with the sizes. For small, it will be 26, 185, 147, and 32. For medium are 26, 219, 147, and 32. And lastly, for the large, 26, 253, 147, and 32. Now, we also create the button group size group. The code is button group size group equals new button group. And these codes create a group for the radio buttons to ensure that only one button in the group can be selected at a time. We have here the size group that add radio button small, size group that add radio button medium, and lastly, size group that add radio button large.
Hello, my name is Raven Bandola, and today I'm gonna explain the add-on features in this Java program, Pizza Ordering System. In this Java code program for the pizza ordering system, the add-on feature is implemented through a series of radio buttons that allow customers to select their preferred toppings. First is the radio buttons. The program includes radio buttons for each add-on, options such as pepper, onions, black olives, green peppers, and extra cheese. Customer can choose these add-ons by selecting corresponding radio buttons. Now let me explain each line on the add-on feature in this Java program pizza ordering system. First line is the RDBTN pepper. This line creates a radio button for the pepper add-on, allowing customers to select this topping option. Next is the RDBTN onions. Similarly, this line creates radio button for the onions add-on, providing customers with the choice to include onions on their pizza. Next is RDBTN black olives. This line generates a radio button for the black olives add-on, giving the customers option to add black olives as the topping for their pizza. Next line is the RDBTN green peppers. Here, a radio button for the green peppers add-on is created, enabling customers to select green peppers as an additional topping. Lastly, the RDBTN extra cheese. This line creates a radio button for extra cheese add-on, allowing customers to request extra cheese on their pizza for richer taste. Then, this line's code establishes the user interface elements or radio buttons for each add-on, providing customers with a visual way to customize their pizza orders according to their preferences. The radio buttons enable customers to select their desired toppings, enhancing the flexibility and personalization of their pizza choices within the ordering system.
Hi, I'm Daniela Luisa I. Evaristo, and I'll be discussing about the change label, compute button, and images. The compute button, this code sets up a swing-based GUI with a compute button and several labels for displaying text and values. The compute button, styled with a bold font, is positioned at a specific coordinates and includes a action listener that triggers the compute change method when clicked. This feature allows user to perform calculations by simply clicking the button, enhancing the interactivity of the application. For the LBL change or label change, the code defines several labels to display information. The LBL change label shows the text the change is in a bold, white font positioned for easy visibility near the bottom of the window. Other labels display monetary values 130, 150, and 170 and are styled with a bold font and white text placed at different locations to present the information. The order summary label, serving as a header, is styled with a bold font and positioned prominently at the top, creating a clear and structured layout for the order computation and summary interface. The Java code uses the Swing framework to create a graphical user interface that includes 4 JLevel components. This is the image part. Each label is assigned a different image from specified file paths, and their positions and sizes are set using the setBounds method. Configuring each label, the code adds them to the main content pane. This setup displays the 4 images at designated locations within the applications window and ensuring a visually organized layout.
Hello, I am Abo John Mark and I'll be explaining the payment. So let's start for the label and text fields. So JLabel or label payment, this line creates a label like a text description that says payment. Then label payment that set font. This makes the payment label text bold and set to its size to 15. While set bounds to 85 for 1770-21. This position the label on a screen or window at a specific location. There is 4 and 285 pixels from the left and 417 pixels from the top, with a width of 70 pixels and height of 21 pixels. And the next is the text field for amount paid. This creates a box where someone can type in number or text. This position the text field below the payment. Label 377 pixels from the left and 419 pixels from the top, with a width of 96 pixels and height of 19 pixels. So this sets the text field to allow up to 10 characters to be typed in. Then the next one is compute button. J button or button compute equals new J button. This creates a button label compute. Then button compute that add action listener. This make the button do something when clicked. In this case, it calls a method and it is compute change. Then the last one is action listener. So what will happen when you click compute? Compute change. This is a method that gets called when the compute button is clicked. It's likely calculates or do something related to the amount you enter in the text field. In simpler terms, it's like setting up a form on a computer screen. The payment label tells you what to enter in the box. So the text field amount paid is where you type how much you want to pay. When you click compute, it does some math or shown you something related to what you type. So you enter how much money you want to pay. This code will help you to do that and figure out something about your payment when you click a button.
Hi everyone, I am Mahadi Bulaga from Solano, and I will be discussing the system's flavor selection, size selection, add-on selection, and computing total amount. For the flavor selection, users can make their flavor selection by clicking on the radio buttons corresponding to Hawaiian, ham and cheese, or pepperoni. The system then identifies the selected flavor and appends the relevant flavor description to the order summary for clarity. This allows users to choose their favorite pizza flavor and ensures that their preferences are accurately captured in the order. By providing a variety of flavor options, the system enhances the user experience and allows for a personalized pizza selection tailored to individual tastes. For the size selection, upon selecting the desired pizza size, which are small, medium, large, users' choices are captured through radio buttons also. The system ensures that the selected size is accurately reflected in order summary to align with the user's preferences. This feature enables users to customize their pizza order based on their appetite and serving size requirements. By offering a range of size options, users can easily select the portion that best suits their needs and enhancing their overall satisfaction with the order. For the add-on selection, for additional customization, users can choose from a variety of add-ons such as pepper, onions, black olives, green peppers, and extra cheese. Each selected add-on is checked through the radio buttons and included in the order summary to provide a comprehensive overview of the order. This feature allows users to personalize their pizza with extra toppings and flavors, creating a unique and flavorful dining experience. By offering a selection of add-ons, the system caters to diverse preferences and ensures that users can tailor their order to their liking. And for the computing total amount, the compute total amount open and close parenthesis method plays a crucial role in calculating the total price based on the user selected flavor, size, and add-ons. It takes into account the base price for the chosen size and flavor, along with any extra costs associated with specific add-ons. The method then returns the total amount as the final cost of the order for transparency. By accurately calculating the total amount, users can review the cost of their customized pizza order before finalizing the purchase, ensuring clarity and accuracy in pricing.
My name is Ayan Jasmine Gasela, and I will be explaining our system in displaying the order summary, getting the price based on the size and flavor, and getting the selected flavor. Next, for getting the price based on flavor and size. By leveraging the get price for size method, the system determines the price based on the selected flavor and size combination. Through a switch statement, the appropriate price is assigned for the specific size and flavor selection, ensuring accurate pricing for the user's order. This dynamic pricing mechanism allows users to see the cost implication of their flavor and size choices in real time, helping them make informed decisions about their pizza order. By calculating prices based on flavor and size, the system provides customized and transparent pricing experience for user. And last, for getting the selected flavor, the system identifies the selected pizza flavor based on the radio button selection of Hawaiian, ham and cheese, or pepperoni. In cases where no flavor is selected, the system defaults to not selected to maintain clarity and completeness in the order summary. This ensures that user flavors preferences are accurately captured and reflected in order details by indicating the selected flavor prominently in the order summary. Users can easily verify their choice and make a necessary adjustment before finalizing the order. The system's ability to track and display selected flavors enhances the overall experience and streamlines the ordering process.